Hello everyone. So today in this series of my Excel beginners to professional, I'm going to show you uh, filterization. How can we filter the data in my Excel sheet and Excel workbook? So we have a couple of options. The first one is the data and the filter. With the help of this data and filter, we can set it up type of filterization like we can put some conditions, we can take it top rows, we can take it above average, below average, kind of things, whatever the conditions. We can also add custom filters. Filterization is something which you have a data, raw data available, and you want to specify some criteria to take it out a specific range of data from that sheet. So through with the help of filter, you can filter the data and take that data that you require for your appropriate usage. How it's working, let me quickly, I will show you. Okay, you can filter the data in the tables, the type of specific type of data. You can take it on the basis of size, type, or you may take data as per your conditions also. I will show you how we can take this. Okay, okay, you can also remove the duplicate values. You have an predefined option. With the help of this, you can remove the data. You can also filter the unique data what you want. And we have a filterization of unique is the same one. Like these are the few options that you can use it. And this is these are the steps which are mentioned here. I will show how we can use these steps. So let's quickly move on to the Excel and see this is what I have in sheet. So the first option is you can see the filter is available in the data menu. If once you click on data, so because normally you will be on home, so you have to click on data, click on filter. Once you click on filter, you can see there would be some drop down listings are listed on the top of your row. Can move it, I can add it from here. Okay, so when I clicked on this, you can see that you will get the listing options, the number of options you can get it here. So what all options are available, you can see the values, these are unique, they will be listed here. Suppose I want to filter out the country wise data. What I can do, I just click on this. Instead of selecting all, if I just choose France, it will show me the France data. Same as if I go back on this and remove it or select all, I will get all the data. See, one more thing, suppose here if I click on segment, I just clicked on segment, you can see I removed all, select all, and I clicked on enterprise. You will see here you can see all drop down menus boxes are same. Even if I put it applied, now you can see it's the symbol is changed from here to here. So that means if the symbol change, that means here you have already applied a filter. And same as the row numbers are also changed because it will filter out the data as per your requirement. Now I have applied one filter. If I go back and apply the countrywide, like I have taken it as a Canada, so I can just put it Canada here. Now you can see it's more precise data. If I want to put it product wise, suppose here I take it VTT, just click OK. So it's more precise. Now the symbols are getting added here. If I just want to remove it, I can just click on all and I need to do everywhere all and here also to keep all data back. So this is what the basic criteria to select the any specific type of data. Now if I want to put some conditional base, for example where the unit sold more than 100 or more than 1000. Okay, so I just go on the filters. Here you can see click number filters. So here you can see greater than, less than, equal to, top 10 rows, above, or custom filters are also there. If I click on custom, I will get these are the options where I can put and or not kind of rule. So let me just quickly go back here, and if I go in the number filter and I put greater than 1000, click on OK. Now you can see all the values which are mentioned here are more than 1000. If I remove this filter and or just customize this filter in the custom filter, greater than this, and it should be less than 2000. Okay, so you can see now all values are listed here, more than 1000 and less than 2000. I may remove this filter and just keeping it as a select, clear the folder. So, or you can also click on the select all to keep the all filters. Okay, this is how we can filter the data as per my requirement. I can take it from the year wise, I can take it from the date wise. Like in, if I filter it month wise, you can see it will take data on the basis of the months. Okay, so just I remove this here and I'm going it here, and one more thing I wanted to show you, that is sorting. If I want to sort the data, I can just select this column wise or whatever the data I want to sort it. I've just taken out, selected the data, all the data from here till now. I just wanted to sort it. So what I am going to do it right now, if I click on this sort, you can see what you want to sort. Country wise, sorting A to Z. So let me just click OK. You can see it's now sorted by country, A to Z, Canada, CEF and all. If I just go and sort it in a different way, instead of countrywide, I want to sort sold units, smallest to largest. I can sort it in this way. If I want to sort this data in date wise, sales wise, or sales price, smallest to largest, I can do that also. Same way, if I just wanted to reverse the order, like in the country, if I go and wanted to sort it Z to A, I can do that. Now it's sorted in the reverse order. If I want to put two levels of sorting, like here you can see the product names are not sorted. So let me quickly add one more level here. That is, I have taken a product, and product must be sorted by A to Z. Let me show you. Now you can see the products are sorted. At the first level, it will sort it by country. Second level, it's changing into product wise. If I go in this sort again, and let me change A to Z this one also. So you can see it's sorted by country, now A to Z, as well as the product as A to Z. So this is how you can do the sorting, as well as this is how you can do the filterization with Excel. So that's all about this video, and I will be back shortly in the next video with more details on some chart preparation, etc. The link is mentioned in the description box for my previous video as well as my next video, and it has a list of all the videos related to Microsoft Excel beginners to professional series in the same description box. So you can take it from there and keep subscribe and watching my channel. Thank you so much.